Beijing has made major strides in modernizing its conventional hardware. Now the country is testing its laser weapon that could change the face of battle.
Chinese military ship shining a laser into an Australian Air Force plane. The government and Defence Department have accused China's Navy of putting lives at risk as they demand answers.
See, laser weapons and fancy parade was a circus of fear and not defense.
In September 2025, China unveiled something extraordinary at its national parade, the LY-1 high-energy laser system. Unlike traditional defenses, this platform uses directed energy beams to disrupt drones, interfere with incoming projectiles, and even dazzle satellite sensors. It's not just futuristic, it's operational today. The LY-1 represents a leap in scale, capability, and ambition. But what exactly does it do? How does it compare to other systems? And why could it redefine global security technologies? Let's break it down. The LY-1 laser system stood out as one of the most eye-catching displays of China's September 2025 parade. Mounted on an 8-wheeled vehicle, it showcased the scale of China's investment in directed energy technology. State-affiliated reports described LY-1 as able to engage drones, disrupt projectiles, and interfere with satellites, though exact specifications remain undisclosed. Its large size suggests a major step forward compared to earlier Chinese lasers. For context, China has already deployed smaller systems like the Silent Hunter, which operates around 30 kilowatts and is effective against small aerial targets. Other models, such as the LW-30 and LW-60, offer 30 to 60 kilowatt outputs for counter-drone roles. The LY-1, by contrast, appears to push toward or beyond the 100 kilowatt threshold, a level extending potential effectiveness to more demanding scenarios. What makes LY-1 notable isn't just power. Lasers offer advantages such as near unlimited shots while power is available, extreme precision, and far lower cost per use compared to conventional interceptors. While experts remain cautious about claims that LY-1 can fully counter advanced supersonic systems, its ability to manage drone swarms and disrupt sensors is credible. The unveiling signals a major investment in energy-based defense with applications across air, sea, and space. The LY-1 is not an isolated debut. It reflects a decade of Chinese research and deployment in directed energy systems. It follows platforms like the Silent Hunter and LW series, as well as reported developments in satellite dazzling. Recent incidents, including reports of lasers at sea, further highlight their integration into operations. LY-1 consolidates this progress into a larger, more ambitious platform. Comparisons are also key. The US Navy's Helios system, Israel's Iron Beam, the UK's Dragonfire, and US Army D-Shorad show that many countries are pursuing similar technology. What sets LY-1 apart is how publicly it has been showcased. This visibility signals both confidence and strategic intent. Lasers are not flawless. They are limited by weather and atmospheric conditions. But their advantages, speed of light engagement, low operating cost, and reusable power, are reshaping defense technology worldwide. By fielding LY-1, China signals it is not only keeping pace with global leaders, but pushing to take a leading role in directed energy innovation. To dive deeper, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you there.